So I'd like to read the article. So could you please correct me?
Let's do it.
Okay, thank you. I'm the cousin of the unhappy child who was murdered, or rather his sister, for I was educated by and have lived with his parents ever since and even long before his birth. It may therefore be judged incident in me to come forward on this occasion. But when I see a fellow creature about to perish, though the cowardice of her pretended friends. I wish to be allowed to speak, that I may say what I know of her character. I'm well acquainted with the accused. I have lived in the same house with her, at one time for 5 and at another for nearly. Okay,
Cousin,
cousin,
fellow creature,
fellow creature,
cowardice,
cowardice,
pretended
coward,
friends,
pretended friends,
indecent,
indecent,
indecent.
indecent.
Not bad, not bad. Alrighty. Nice to meet
Uh,
you. Thank you so much, man.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.